Hello, my name is Benjamin Z. Miller, and today I want to share some information for new private lenders. Maybe you are interested in that passive income. You like the idea of doing something with your money where it's not sitting in a bank earning dead money, just sitting there not doing anything. And you start to talk to people and they say, oh, loan it over here, loan it over there. I've got this, my brother's doing this, etc., etc., etc. The advice that I have, especially if you're a new private lender, is you want to make the first loan that you do with a very experienced real estate investor. Try to find one that's been involved in at least, 50, 100 transactions where they've done those successfully, where they've already paid back the money successfully. At a minimum, they've done, maybe whatever, something where they've got a track record. Because unless you're just making the loan to a friend or a family member, and if they don't pay, it's okay. You love them anyway. If you're doing that kind of a loan, it doesn't matter. But if you're actually trying to make money, you need to look at the borrower a lot in terms of making sure you've got someone that has a record of performing on loans. So I would not rush out to make a loan to a new investor if it's his first deal, because there's a learning curve like anything in life where uh, over time, as a real estate borrower working with private lenders, you get better and better, whereas anything takes time to learn. So ideally, they're not making mistakes while they're handling your loan. So that would be my advice, is to, sure, it's great to look at the property. It's great to do the 75% calculation, but it's even better to look at the borrower. That's actually more important. You can go make a loan at whatever percentage, and if you get the wrong borrower, there's still all sorts of stuff that they can do to jam things up. For example, they can do things like filing bankruptcy. That will cause a massive delay. There's a lot of things that can be done, and it's more important to get a borrower that has that experience working for you, and also look at the loan amount. Make sure it makes sense. It's something that you're comfortable with. But the main thing is, don't be afraid to take action. The worst that can happen is you learn, and the best that can happen is you make a lot of money. So it's an opportunity here to do that, and I just encourage you, when you're trying to decide on your borrower, to make experience something you look at. Thank you so much.